Good morning everybody. In last videos I taught preparation part. I taught preparation of alcohol, phenol, ether. I taught in last videos. In this video I am going to teach chemical properties of ether. Chemical reactions of ether. Ethers are involved in two different types of chemical reaction. One is nucleophilic substitution reaction, another one is electrophilic substitution reaction. Which one is undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction? Aliphatic ethers are undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction. Which one is undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction? Aromatic ethers are undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction. First, I am going to teach nucleophilic substitution reaction. In this topic, I am going to teach react with HI. React with HI. Simple ether react with HI, one reaction. Another one is mixed ether react with HI. First of all, I am going to teach simple ether react with HI. Simple ether react with insufficient amount of HI. Simple ether react with excess amount of HI. Same thing in excess. Mixed ether react with insufficient amount of HI. Mixed ether react with excess amount of HI. Totally I am going to teach 4 reactions. First reaction, simple ether react with insufficient amount of HI. Simple ether react with insufficient amount of HI. First I will teach its reaction, then I will teach its mechanism. Insufficient amount of HI. Simple ether react with insufficient. Simple ether CH3, CH2, O, CH2, CH3. Is it simple ether? Yes, because both alkyl group contain same number of carbon atom. Both alkyl groups are same. So this is what simple ether. React with insufficient. Insufficient means 1 mole of HI. Excess amount of HI means 2 moles of HI. So here insufficient amount. So 1 mole of HI. You can get product. Compare carbon and oxygen. Which one is more electronegative? Oxygen. So bond break in between oxygen and carbon. O minus. Here compare hydrogen and iodine. Iodine electronegativity is greater than hydrogen. So here also bond break. I minus H plus. Here O minus H plus bond formation. You can get CH3, CH2, O minus H plus. You can get ethanol, one product. Another one product C plus I minus CH3, CH2, I. When simple ether react with 1 mole of HI. 1 mole of HI means insufficient amount of HI. It gives 2 products to us. One is alcohol, another one is iodide. This is chemical reaction. Now I am going to teach its mechanism. Mechanism. Simple ether CH3, CH2, compare here oxygen has 2 lone pair of electron. Step 1, protonation process. Protonation means what? Addition of H plus ion. Compare hydrogen and iodine. Which one is more electronegative? Iodine. So iodine takes 1 pair of electron. Here bond break. What's the charge of H? Plus. Here lone pair of electron. Bond formation. CH3, CH2. Here lone pair of electron, H plus bond formation. After the bond formation, we have to put positive charge on oxygen. What's the charge of iodine now? I minus. Step 1, protonation. Addition of H plus ion in ether. You can get intermediate. Its name is oxonium ion. Next, step 2. This oxonium ion is involved in chemical reaction with I minus. I minus is a good nucleophile. It gives product to us. Compare carbon and oxygen. Which one is more electronegative? Oxygen. So oxygen takes 1 pair of electron. Here bond break. Now gain of electron minus, already plus, plus minus, it becomes neutral. Okay. you can get CH3, CH2, OH. Here what's the charge of carbon atom? Plus I minus, you can get CH3, CH2, I. Any doubt? This is a simple ether react with insufficient amount of HA. When simple ether react with insufficient amount of HA, it gives two products to us. One is alcohol, another one is iodide. Okay. Next, simple ether react with excess amount of HA. Excess means what? 2 moles of HA. First, I will teach reaction, then I will teach its mechanism. Simple ether react with excess amount of hydrogen iodide. How many moles of hydrogen iodide? Excess means 2 moles of hydrogen iodide. CH3, CH2, O, CH2, CH3. 2 moles of hydrogen iodide. So first 1 mole of hydrogen iodide. 1 mole of hydrogen iodide, you can get one intermediate. Again 1 mole of hydrogen iodide, you can get another one product. Listen, 1 mole of HI. Compare hydrogen and iodine. Iodine takes one pair of electron. Here bond break. Compare carbon and oxygen. Which one is more electronegative? Oxygen. So oxygen takes one pair of electron. Here also bond break. O minus H plus bond formation. You can get CH3, CH2, OH. Am I right? Next, what's the charge of carbon? Plus I minus bond formation. You can get CH3, CH2, I. This is what react with 1 mole of HA. Actually, excess means 2 moles of HA. Again, it react with hydrogen iodide. This alcohol is involved in chemical reaction with the HA. So, what will happen? Compare hydrogen and iodine. Iodine takes one pair of electron. Here bond break. I minus H plus. Compare carbon and hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl group takes one pair of electron. OH minus H plus 1 mole of water. Here I minus C plus bond formation. CH3, CH2, I. Simple ether react with excess of HI. Excess of HI means 2 moles of HI. Am I right? First 1 mole of HI. Simple ether react with 1 mole of HI. You can get alcohol and iodide. Again this alcohol react with another 1 mole of HI. This alcohol also converted into iodide. So its overall reaction, simple ether react with hydrogen iodide. It gives 2 moles of hydrogen iodide and 1 mole of water. Its overall reaction, CH3, CH2, O, CH2, CH3. React with 2 moles of HI. What's the product in this chemical reaction? It gives 2 moles of iodide and 1 mole of water. This is the reaction. Now I am going to teach its mechanism. Okay, any doubt about this one? What are the difference between simple ether react with insufficient amount of hydrogen iodide and excess amount of hydrogen iodide? When simple ether react with insufficient amount of hydrogen iodide, it gives alcohol and iodide. It gives 2 different products. When simple ether react with excess amount of hydrogen iodide, it gives iodide only, it does not give alcohol. Are you clear? So next one, mixed ether. Now I am going to teach its mechanism. Okay. Its mechanism. 2 moles, excess means 2 moles. First 1 mole. CH3, CH2, O, CH2, CH3 react with HI. Oxygen has 2 lone pair of electron. Am I right? Here I minus H plus lone pair of electron. What will happen? Bond formation. After the bond formation, you can put positive charge on oxygen. O, CH2, CH3, here oxygen lone pair of electron, H plus bond formation. After the bond formation, we have to put oxygen, we have to put positive charge on oxygen and I minus. Okay, I minus. Then this I minus is combined with alkyl group, any alkyl group. Compare carbon and oxygen. Which one is more electronegative? Oxygen. So oxygen takes one pair of electron. Here bond break. Already O plus. Now gain of electron minus. Plus or minus, it becomes neutral. Okay, you can get alcohol. CH3, CH2, OH. What's the charge of carbon? Plus. Here I minus. So bond formation. You can get CH3, CH2, I. First 1 mole of hydrogen iodide is react with simple ether. You can get alcohol and hydrogen iodide. This is excess amount of hydrogen iodide. Excess means 2 moles of hydrogen iodide. Am I right? So again 1 mole of hydrogen iodide is react with alcohol. This alcohol is react with another 1 mole of hydrogen iodide. What will happen? Same process. Oxygen has 2 lone pair of electron. Here compare hydrogen and iodine. Iodine electronegativity is greater than hydrogen. So bond cleavage I minus H plus. Am I right? Here this H plus lone pair of electron. Bond formation. After the bond formation, we have to put positive charge on oxygen. CH3, CH2, O bond H protonation. Okay, plus I minus. Next, deprotonation. So deprotonation means what? Compare removal of hydrogen. Compare oxygen and hydrogen. Which one is more electronegative? Oxygen. So here bond break. So already plus, oxygen charge plus. Now gain of electron minus. So it becomes neutral. Plus minus, it becomes neutral. This H plus. Sorry. Compare carbon and oxygen. Which one is more electronegative? Carbon. Oxygen. Oxygen takes one pair of electron. Here bond cleavage. Already oxygen charge is plus. Now gain of electron minus. It becomes neutral. Water is removed. What's the charge of carbon? Plus. This I minus. So bond formation. CH3, CH2, I plus 1 mole of water. Are you clear? Any doubt about this mechanism? First, 1 mole of ether is react with 1 mole of hydrogen iodide. You can get intermediate. I mean this intermediate name oxonium ion as well as I minus. This I minus is a good nucleophile. It attacks alkyl group. You can get alcohol and ethyl iodide. Okay. Excess means 2 moles of HI. So another 1 mole of HI is react with the alcohol. Okay. Compare carbon and here compare hydrogen and iodine. Which one is more electronegative? Iodine. I takes one pair of electron. Bond cleavage I minus H plus. Here this H plus, oxygen has one lone pair of electron plus lone pair of electron, bond formation. Am I right? Bond formation between oxygen and hydrogen. Now what's the charge of oxygen? Plus due to lone pair of electron. Am I right? Next, compare carbon and oxygen. Which one is more electronegative? Oxygen. So oxygen takes one pair of electron. Here also bond cleavage. Already oxygen charge is plus. Now gain of electron minus. Plus minus both are all present on same atom. So it becomes neutral. Bond cleavage in between carbon and oxygen. So water is removed. What's the charge of carbon? Plus. I minus. Bond formation. Here 1 mole of iodide. Already 1 mole of iodide. So it gives 2 moles of iodide. Any doubt about this reaction? Next our topic. These are all what? Simple ethers react with excess amount of hydrogen iodide. First, simple ether react with insufficient amount of hydrogen iodide. Second one, simple ether react with excess amount of hydrogen iodide. Now, I am going to teach mixed ether. Mixed ether react with insufficient amount of HI. Next one is mixed ether react with excess amount of HI. React with topic mixed ether. Mixed ether react with insufficient amount of HI. Insufficient amount of HI. CH3O. First I will teach reaction, then I will teach its mechanism. CH2, CH3. Is it simple ether or mixed ether? Mixed ether. What's the reason? 2 alkyl group present. One alkyl group contains only 1 carbon atom. Another one alkyl group contains 2 carbon atom. Am I right? Two different alkyl groups are attached to the functional group oxygen. So this is called as mixed ether. React with insufficient amount of HI. Insufficient means 1 mole of HI. Okay. Now bond cleavage in between carbon and oxygen. So in this reaction, this is always in last reaction no problem. In simple ether you can break anywhere. But here one alkyl group contains only one carbon atom. Another one alkyl group contains two carbon atom. Always bond cleavage in between oxygen and less number of carbon atom. Least I mean small alkyl group. Bond cleavage in between oxygen and small alkyl group. Okay. So here bond cleavage in between oxygen and methyl group. Which one is more electronegative? Oxygen. So oxygen takes one pair of electron. Bond break in between methyl group and oxygen. Are you clear? Here two carbon atom present in this alkyl group. In this alkyl group only one carbon atom present. Always bond cleavage in between oxygen and small alkyl group. Am I right? This is small alkyl group because it has only one carbon atom. Okay. Compare carbon and oxygen. Which one is more electronegative? Oxygen. So oxygen takes one pair of electron. Here bond break. O minus CH3 plus. The CH3 plus is combined with I minus. Am I right? I minus. So CH3 I plus, what's the charge of O? Minus H plus, you can get CH3 CH2 OH, two product. When mixed ether react with insufficient amount of hydrogen iodide, it gives two product to us. One is iodide, another one is alcohol. Its mechanism already I taught in that simple ether, same only. Next, mixed ether react with excess amount of HI. Excess amount of HI means what? 2 moles of HI. Am I right? First, ether react with 1 mole of HI. It gives iodide and alcohol. Next, that alcohol react with another 1 mole of HI. Are you clear? React with excess. React with excess amount of HI. Excess amount of HI means 2 moles of HI. Mixed ether react with 2 moles of HI. First, ether react with 1 mole of HI. You can get ethanol and methyl iodide. Okay. Next, this alcohol react with another 1 mole of HI. CH3, CH2, OH plus HI. It gives what will happen? Here OH minus. Here I minus. This OH minus is combined with H plus 1 mole of water. C plus I minus bond formation. CH3, CH2, I. So what are the difference between mixed ether react with insufficient amount of HI and mixed ether react with excess amount of HI? Mixed ether react with insufficient amount of HI. It gives two product. One is alcohol and iodide. When mixed ether react with excess amount of HI, it gives iodide only. It does not give alcohol. Are you clear? I am going to give one more mixed ether. One more mixed ether. Listen. You know very well, in mixed ether always bond cleavage in between oxygen and a small alkyl group. Am I right? Now I am going to take this ether. Compare these two mixed ether. What are the difference between these two mixed ether? In this mixed ether, two alkyl group present. Both alkyl groups are primary alkyl group. Am I right? In this mixed ether, two alkyl group present. One alkyl group is primary, another one is tertiary. If both are all primary alkyl group means bond cleavage in between oxygen and small alkyl group. Are you clear? Both are all primary means you have to break in between oxygen and small alkyl group. This is also mixed ether. This is also mixed ether, but here bond cleavage in between tertiary carbon and oxygen. Due to tertiary carbocation stability, bond cleavage in between tertiary carbon and oxygen. Are you clear? One is primary, another one is tertiary. Here 4 carbon atom present. Here only 1 carbon atom present. But here we have to break in between tertiary carbon and oxygen. What's the reason? Due to tertiary carbocation stability. Are you clear? So bond break in between, react with Hi. I minus H plus. What's the charge of oxygen? Oxygen minus O minus H plus. You can get CH3OH. React with this mixed ether. React with insufficient amount of hydrogen iodide. Insufficient means 1 mole of hydrogen iodide. You can get CH3, C, CH3, CH3, I. Are you clear? What are the difference between these two reactions? In this simple ether, bond cleavage in between methyl group and oxygen. Because in this simple ether, both the alkyl groups are primary alkyl group. So bond break in between oxygen and small alkyl group. But here, bond cleavage in between tertiary carbon and oxygen. Here only how to break. What's the reason? One is primary, another one is tertiary. Due to tertiary carbocation stability, bond cleavage in between carbon and oxygen. Here only you have to break. Are you clear? So here break O minus H plus bond formation, you can get methanol. Here C plus I minus, you can get iodide. Any doubt about this one? Next one is ether, aromatic ether, react with HI. Aromatic ether react with HI. For example, anisole react with HI. 1 mole of HI means insufficient amount of hydrogen iodide. I minus H plus, always one is alkyl group, another one is aryl group. Here functional group, oxygen contains 2 group, one is alkyl group, carbon, another one is aryl group. Always bond cleavage in between alkyl group and oxygen. Here bond break, O minus due to resonance here, O minus H plus, you can get phenol, C plus I minus, you can get methyl iodide. Are you clear? This is what aromatic ether. One is alkyl group. One alkyl group attached to the functional group oxygen. Another one is aryl group is attached to the functional group oxygen. So here always bond cleavage in between alkyl group carbon and oxygen. So here bond break. Oxygen takes one pair of electron, O minus C plus. So O minus here H plus, it becomes phenol. Another one is C plus I minus. So CH3I. Okay, you can get 2 product pairs. This is what nucleophilic substitution reaction. In this nucleophilic substitution reaction, I have taught 2 different reactions. One is simple ether react with HI, another one is mixed ether react with HI. Simple ether react with HI, I taught 2 reactions. I have taught 2 reactions. One is simple ether react with insufficient amount of HI, another one is simple ether react with excess amount of HI. Same thing in mixed ether. Mixed ether react with insufficient amount of HI, mixed ether react with excess amount of HI. Next, aryl ether react with HI. Okay, so nucleophilic substitution reaction is over. In next video, I will teach electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, thank you everybody.